Bonjour. Today we will learn the verb avoir. Avoir. The infinitive form of the verb avoir. It is one auxiliary verb. It means to have. Avoir, it means to have. In this lesson, we are going to learn the conjugaison, la conjugaison du verbe, the conjugation, how do we conjugate it, and l'emploi du verbe, l'emploi du verbe, l'emploi du verbe. We are going to learn the use of the verb, how we are going to use it in our sentences. In order to conjugate the verb, we need to know the subject pronoun, which are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, plural. The conjugation of the verb avoir would be j'ai. Okay, be careful. When the conjugation is starting with a vowel, we will remove the letter E of je. So it will become j'ai. We will not say je ai, j'ai. Tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez. Be careful. It is starting with a vowel, so we join with the previous consonant. Nous avons, vous avez, il or elles ont, ils ont, elles ont. And we know already that tu, it is for singular and for informal conversations. When you are informal with somebody, like when you are talking to a friend or a family member, you are using tu. And if you are talking to one family member, one person, but if you are talking to more people, then it would be vous. Like even if you are talking to many friends, even if they are friends, but you would say vous. And if you are talking to the teacher or somebody you are formal with that person, you would use vous in that case even if the person is singular, but you are formal with the person, so you use vous. The verb avoir, basically it is used to indicate the possession, anything that you possess, that you have. So you would say j'ai un stylo, I have a pen, I have it. J'ai un stylo. Tu as un chien. Il a une maison. Or elle a un ordinateur. She has a computer. So any object, anything that you have which is in your possession, you would say that you would use the avoir verb to indicate that. And all what we possess in our mind, like any idea or a dream, like il a un rêve, he has a dream. Il a un objectif, he has an objective. Elle a une idée, she has an idea. So it is all in her mind. Elle a une idée. Il a une doute. Il a une doute. In order to indicate the pain in any part of the body, you would say avoir mal, and after you use the body part. Like you would say j'ai mal au dos. J'ai mal au dos. Dos, the back, is the body part. J'ai mal au ventre. I have pain in my stomach. I have stomachache. Mal au ventre. J'ai mal au genou. J'ai mal au genou. J'ai mal à l'oreille. J'ai mal à l'oreille. There are many other body parts we have seen in a different lesson, so you can see the link in the description, and any body part you are feeling pain, you just use that specific body part. That's it. Okay, now we are going to see a few exceptions. Before, we have seen the use of the verb avoir in that context, that you are saying I have something. In English also, when you say I have, you are exactly translating it. I have a house, I have a pet, I have a house, I have a dream. Now, what we are going to see, it is a bit opposite of English. In English, you would say I am, but in French, you would say I have. So it is a bit opposite to that. Okay, so first we see age, âge. In English, when we describe our age, we use être verb. We say to be, like I am. I am 9 years old. I am 12 years old, or whatever the age is. But in French, we say the opposite. We don't say I am, we say I have. I have that years of age. So for example, you would say, tu as un an. You are 1 year old. Tu as un an. J'ai 2 ans. Or il a 9 ans. Be careful, 9, it is ending in f, it is ending in f. But I didn't say 9 ans, I said 9 ans. It's a very common mistake, many beginner students they do. When the next word starts with vowel, we have to use v sound. F, it becomes v. F, it is changing into v if the next word is a vowel. So we will say il a 9 ans. Il a 9 ans. So that is clear that the age is always described in French with the verb avoir, have. But in English it is être verb, it is I am, you are, he is, she is, like that. Okay. Here we have a few expressions that we describe always with the avoir verb instead of être. Like instead of saying I am lucky, in French, maybe you would say I have some luck, or like that we can say. Il a de la chance. Il a, it means he has. But in English, of course, you would say he is lucky. Il a de la chance, he is lucky. Avoir peur, avoir peur. Elle a peur des chiens, elle a peur des chiens. Avoir sommeil, elle a sommeil. We are using avoir verb, elle a sommeil. Avoir besoin de quelque chose, need something. Elle a besoin d'un ordinateur. Elle a besoin d'un ordinateur, she needs a computer. Avoir soif or faim. Il a soif, elle a faim. So you see, we are saying he is in French, he is or she is. But in French, we are using to have. Avoir chaud or froid. Il a chaud, il a froid. Or avoir raison or avoir tort. Elle a raison, elle a raison. Elle a tort, elle a raison. Elle a tort. Bon, c'est tout. Au revoir. À très bientôt.